Miss Gallagher here. I'm going to demonstrate how to cite your sources for this research project. And again, you can use this for any research project that you need to do. The first thing you need to do is open up the document where you're going to cite your sources. In this case, it is the Element Superhero / Villain Project sources. If you have already opened this assignment in your Canvas science course, then you might need to go to your Google Drive and find it there. Otherwise, you can just start from here. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move my cursor below the directions right there. I'm going to change my font to 12 so that everything won't be as large. Then I'm going to go up here to Tools. I'm going to click Citations, and then you see the window on the right. We have a new panel there. So we're going to stay with MLA 8th edition. I'm going to add a citation source. Our sources are going to be websites, so I'm going to do the drop-down menu and click Website. And then I'm going to come down here where it says Search with a URL. I'm going to copy and paste my URLs here. So I am researching the element hydrogen. The first source I used was the periodic table. So I come over here to periodic table. I clicked on hydrogen here, and I've got the information that I've used. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to copy, Command C or Control C on your Chromebooks, Control C, and then I'm going to go back to my document and do Control V here, and it copies and pastes it in that box. And then I'm going to hit search, and it puts it in this format right here, which is what we want. I go to continue, and then I add the citation source. I'm going to add another one, a second source. I'm going to click up here, Add Citation Source. For my second source, I used the PDF file that we had for element families of the periodic table. So I'm going to go down here to Files. And you probably may not have as many files as I do, but right here it says Element Families for the periodic table. I'm going to click on this, and it loads it up. I'm going to go up here and copy, Control C. And then I'm going to come back to the document. And again, we've got to make this a website. And I'm going to Control V here to paste it. All right, and then it gives me what I want, the URL here. I'm going to continue. So I have pasted it here. For some reason, it comes up as a YouTube website title. I'm not sure why, but we are just going to put Add Citation Source. So now I have two sources. I need at least three, so I'm going to go to my last one. For my last one, I went to Google and I typed in hydrogen. Google is a search engine. It is not a source. The search engine gives you lots of varieties, and then you choose which one you want. So I went through and I picked some of these, and I decided that I'm going to use this one right here, the Britannica .com website. So I click on here, and I'm going to, here I read about it, and this is where I'm going to use some information as a source. So I'm going to go up here again. I'm going to copy and paste it back onto this over here. Oop, I have to add a citation source first, and it is a website. Paste it here and search, and then I'm going to continue. I'm going to add a citation source. So you can see now that I have three different citation sources. So that's all I'm going to do. If you have more, keep doing them. And then I'm going to hit Insert Works Cited. When you do that, it puts it over on your paper in this format, which is the correct format. And as you can see, it's in alphabetical order. This part right here is a little crazy because it's the ellipses, but we're just going to leave it like it is right here. I'm going to delete that. And that now my source page is complete. Now, if you did not do this on Friday, and don't panic, because what you can do is you can go over here to your history, and you can go right here to history, and I'm just going to click on history. Oh. Okay, to get to history, you're going to go up to your three little dots right here. I'm clicking on it. It gives me a menu. I'm going to go to history here. I'm going to go history here. And it gives me everything I looked at today. It gives me everything I looked at Sunday, Saturday, and Friday. So you can look for the things that you can look for the websites that you looked on Friday. You can go to this, you can click it, and then that will take you back to where you got the information from. So that's how you can cite your sources if you did not do it on Friday. If you have any questions still, let me or Miss Marlowe know.